Square Website Builder. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Square and how you can use it to build your own website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on this Square website, squareup.com, and this is what the website look like. Now over here, to create a website, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to scroll down at the very bottom over here, and over here in underneath more tools you will see online store. What you're going to need to do is just simply click on online store, and it's going to take you to build a website over here where you can start your online store. Now over here, just simply click on get started for free and just fill out this form and click on agree to their terms and services, and you're good to go. And once you do that, they're going to ask you a bunch of different questions like tell us about your business. So over here, just to fill out this form, about your business, and just simply click on continue. So what type of business is it? So over here we'll just say it's a retail store, and over here we come into clothing and accessories. And do you currently accept credit cards and debit cards? We'll say yes. And if you want to say no, you can say no. It all depends on you. And what is your business say? Over here you can just type in the name. We'll just call it H&H Apparels, and then down below just enter in your business contact over here and business address, and you're good to go. And once you do that, over here, congratulations, you're all set up and you can go ahead and log in. Just simply wait for a couple of seconds and boom, you're good to go. And then you'll be arrived over here into this part of the website where you just have to choose which type of merchants best describe you. Let's go ahead and choose individual, and over here just enter in the name that you would like you to appear on customers receipt. So we'll just say H&H Apparels and click on continue. And then over here, what type of business do you want to run? Clothing and retail, yes. Click on continue, wait for a couple of seconds, and then they're going to ask you what are you trying to sell. So over here just add in the physical items or whichever items you're most comfortable with. It can be services, tickets, menus, donation. It can be anything or none of these at all. So just click whichever option suits best for you, and then just simply click on continue. And then over here, how do you plan to fulfill orders? Ship items, allow pickups, delivery, stuff like that. Just choose whichever one you want, and then just simply click on continue. Then just simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'll arrive over here onto this website, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and over here on the left side you have your main options. So you have website, items ordered, fulfillment, report, marketing, and many more. What we want to do is we want to click on marketing. What we want to do is we want to click on website, and then over here we have edit website, domains, and stuff like that. We're going to click on edit website, and it's going to take us over to the website editor. Wait for a couple of seconds for the editor to load up, and then we will move on, and boom, there you go. So this is how it looks like. This is going to be our website, and over here on the left side we have our main options. We have our logo, we have colors, fonts, etc. So over here you can add in an image of your logo. You can add in my logo. You can drop over here. You have your my images over here. Then you have your free photos over here. Choose whichever photo you want and move on. And once you've added in your logo, just simply click on done. We're going to skip our logos for now. Then you want to choose the main color. All right, you just simply click on the main color and choose your color as well. We're going to stick with this color or the blue one because I think blue looks nice. And then you want to change like the fonts of it as well. You can change the background. You can make the background blue. You can make the background black, white with blue accents. I think this looks nice. We'll click on next, and then you have your fonts over here. You can choose a bunch of different fonts, so you can see over here it changes. Choose whichever one you want. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Robot looks really nice, or something more bolder, I guess. No, I think this one is it. And then we'll click on next, and then we have our style. So we have rounded corners, we have pill, we have sharp, whichever we want. Well, let's go with pill actually, and then we'll click on done. And now it's setting up our domain. Over here you can choose a domain you want, or you can use the Square's subdomain as well. So we'll just go with that, and yep, there we go. Over here H&H Apparel side, we can go ahead and change that. Click on change, and boom, your domain has been changed, and now you're good to go. So we'll just close that. And over here, this is the editor itself. So as you can see, whenever I hover my mouse over any section, it gets highlighted, which means that we can edit that section. And over here on the left side, we have our main options. So we have header, main banner, feature items, we have email newsletter, and we have footer and footer branding, and then we have add sections if we want to add more sections. So let's go ahead and edit it out. So if I wanted to edit this section, all I would have to do is just click on it. And then over here, we have our main options. Let's go ahead and add an image over here. Choose an image that you want. So all these images do look really nice. So let's go with this image right here. We'll just click on done. And as you can see, the image has been changed. It doesn't look great. So let's go ahead and edit that out. We can, change the visibility of the image. We can zoom in the image we want. We can straighten the image or rotate it however we feel like it. Actually, I want to delete the image and I want to add another image, something that's a little bit smaller. Maybe like this one. I would say click on done. Let's see how that one looks. Can we like move the image up and down? Yes, we can. So we'll drag that image over here, keep that image there. We can zoom in a little bit more, rotate it, and we can remove the visibility. Let's go with this one over here and we'll click on save. See, that's how it looks like. Looks really cool. Then we can add in some labels if we want. Create the moment, we can do that. We can add like a headline over here. We can change the headline. We can change the fonts. We can change the text only if we want to. And we can even add the button, and we can add a secondary button if we want. It all depends on us. And then at the bottom, we have customize and layout. So if you click on that, we'll click on layout and, color. We can choose whichever one we want. We can go like this one, without any background over here, or with this one with the whole image over here, or this one with the image on the side and, the layer over here, or this one. Actually, I think this looks much better. So we're going to keep that. And then we can, make it in the center. We can go with the left side or the right side. All depends on us. I think it looks good on the left side, and we can go with smaller or extra large, or we can go with a different color as well. Choose whichever color you're good with, and then you can even change the background color over here. Select your own color, custom color, or image over here, so that the border isn't completely black if you chose that layout. So for example, if we choose this one, this is how it's going to look like. And then in the background, we're going to select our own custom color, or we can select an image. We can click on add image. Over here we can add an image. Let's go with this one over here and click on done. And then the image would look something like this, and we can edit that image out as well. I think it looks nice over here. We'll just click on save, and boom, there you go. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be saved, and that's how it looks like. And then what we want to do is we can close the content, click on done, and then we can move on to the next section over here. And over here we can create an item over here, add physical item, add in the title. We'll just call it shirt. We'll add in the price, let's say $50. Add in a description, it's a nice shirt. And then we can add in the image as well, and then choose your own image. And then we'll click on save, and then we can view the content of it as well. And then if you want, you can select the images over here. You can change like the image size, maybe like 2 by 2. Quick zoom in. You can add in a more effect as well, maybe like image fade. So that's how it looks like over here. Once you add more items, we're gonna have more over here. You can change whether or not you can add the title. You can change whether or not you can add the price or not, and you can add like buttons as well if you want. And then when it's done, you're good to go. Then you can move on to the next section, or you can click on done over here and then move on to the next section, or you can add a new section over here. So as you can see, that's how you basically do it. That's how you basically edit the website using the Square website builder. And once that is done, you can maybe like add a new section over here. So let's go ahead and add a video section. And then this is the type of video section we want over here. We can drag and drop it over here. As you can see, we have this option over here, and then click on done. And maybe you can move the video up and down as well. So if I want it to be featured above the email over here, then the email will move down and we have the video over here. Then we just simply click on the video, and over here we keep the source, and then we paste the video link over here. Let's go ahead and search for a video. So I think this video looks really nice. So we'll just simply click on this video, and we'll just simply copy the link or go back and paste the link over here, and then that video will be played over here. And then we can show the controls as well, so if you want, or we can embed privacy mode, and then when it's done, we can go ahead and click on done, and boom, let's go. You can also add a automatic playback so that whenever someone comes over here, the video is already playing. So Let's go ahead and do that and click on done. And once you have edited your own website, you've added the background, change the background up, just simply click on publish or preview to view the preview of the website. So as you can see, the video is automatically playing over here. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.